Hello, welcome to Tech News for Kids. I'm your host, Mr. Bennett. On October 5th, 1991, a computer science student named Linus Torvalds published the first public version of an operating system called Linux. As we read the story, Linux celebrates 30 world-changing years. I want you to watch for the answers to these three questions. What is an operating system? Why was Linux special? And where can we find Linux today? In 1991, a computer science student named Linus Torvalds announced he was working on a computer operating system as a hobby. But what is a computer operating system? If you are watching this video on YouTube, you are probably watching it in a browser like Chrome or Safari. Or maybe you're watching it on the YouTube app on your phone. No matter where you are watching it, you can be sure of one thing. Playing this video isn't the only thing your computer is doing right now. But when computers were first built, they could only run one program at a time. Computer scientists quickly realized that this was not good enough. So they began to develop a kind of super program that would make all the programs running on a computer share the computer. These programs would tell the other programs when they could take their turn using the computer and where they could store their code and their data in the computer's memory. This was the invention of the operating system. Let's think back to our first question. What is an operating system? Well, now we know that an operating system is a program that makes sure all the other programs on the computer can work together safely and easily. Mr. Torvalds is from Finland, and he began programming computers when he was just 11 years old. He tackled lots of challenging computer programming tasks just out of curiosity. When he was 21 years old, he started to play around with the idea of creating a free operating system. But as you can probably guess, creating a computer operating system is an incredibly complicated task. It requires detailed knowledge of how the different parts of a computer work and how to write instructions to make all these parts work together. Back then, operating systems were mainly created by big companies, and they weren't free. Free, when we talk about computers, actually means two different things. It can mean free, like free pizza, meaning you don't have to pay for it. It can also mean free, like free speech. This kind of free means that you can read the actual code used to make the program, so you can learn from it, and so you can change it if you want. The operating systems created by companies back then were not either kind of free. We say that the operating systems in 1991 were closed source. Closed source means that the computer code used to make the operating system is a secret that nobody outside the company that makes it is allowed to see. This meant that new computer programmers couldn't learn how their computers worked. It also meant that if a computer programmer found something that didn't work, they couldn't fix it. This really upset many computer programmers because they knew they could fix the problems they found in their computers if only they had the computer code used to write the programs. But Linux was open source, which means that when Mr. Torvalds published the first version of his operating system, he published all the code he had written so other people could read it, comment on it, and even change it. This was a huge change from other operating systems, and computer programmers loved it. The system was later named Linux, after Linus Torvalds, and people still read it, comment on it, and change it today. The system is free for anyone to use, and it's open for anyone to change and improve. Let's remember our second question. Why was Linux special? Linux was special because it was open source. Today, only the Windows and iOS operating systems are closed source, All the other big operating systems are open source. By making Linux open source, Mr. Torvalds showed the world that an open source operating system could be successful. Over the years, more and more people began using Linux. Many of them also helped out, making it more stable and more powerful. They also made it safer and faster. For the first version of the system, Mr. Torvalds wrote about 10,000 lines of computer code. Today, Linux has roughly 30 million lines of code. Large businesses began using Linux because it saved them money. Some companies created whole businesses out of offering and supporting Linux. So is Linux still around? We don't use those old flip phones or dial-up modems or floppy disks anymore. Do we still use Linux? Yes. Today, Linux is everywhere, whether you know it or not. If you use an Android phone or a Chromebook, you're using a system based on Linux. Any smart device you see these days is probably running Linux. Whether it's a refrigerator, a gaming console, an in-flight entertainment system, or one of thousands of other kinds of devices. All of the world's top 500 supercomputers run Linux. Supercomputers are really big, really fast computers that are used to run experiments on massive amounts of data. What was our third key question? Where can we find Linux today? Linux is on Android phones and Chromebooks. Linux is on smart devices. Linux is on the computers controlling traffic and keeping airplanes safe. And Linux is on the most powerful computers in the world. So happy birthday, Linux! Congratulations on 30 world-changing years. This has been Tech News for Kids. I'm Mr. Bennett.